everyone, my name is Esther Reguavoin and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. So deciding when to file Form N400 for naturalization is a very crucial step on your path to becoming a United States citizen. So in this video, I actually want to let you know that the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services has designed a tool called Naturalization Early Filing Calculator to help applicants determine the earliest date they can apply for naturalization, so which is for, of course, prospective citizens of the US. You can file the Form N400 application for naturalization 90 calendar days before you complete your continuous residence requirements if your eligibility for naturalization is based upon being a permanent resident for at least 5 years or a permanent resident for at least 3 years if you are married to a US citizen. To determine your 90-day early filing date, you have to begin by identifying your 5-year or 3-year date as a lawful permanent resident. So for example, if the date on your permanent resident card says July 4, 2017, you met the 5-year permanent residence requirement on July 4, 2022. And if you became a permanent resident based on marriage, then you would add 3 years to that date, which would be July 4th, 2020. So if you have met all other eligibility requirements, the earliest date you could apply for naturalization would be April 5th, 2022, which is 90 days before July 4th, 2022. So 90 days is actually the USCIS policy, but also know that 90 days isn't always equal to 3 months. So don't be like some of us. When we hear 90 days, we just assume that it's 3 months. Or when it's 60 days, you will say that's 2 months. It doesn't always work like that. Let me give an example. March is 31 days, April is 30 days, May is 31 days. That sums it up to 92 days. So you can see that's not exactly 90 days. So take note of that. You may use the USCIS Early Filing Calculator to ensure that you file your Form N400 within the 90-day window. And I want you to take good note of this. USCIS will deny your form if you file more than 90 days before your anniversary date. So to be safe, use the calculator to check to get the exact date. And make sure you add 3 or 5 years, depending on your circumstances, to the date on your resident card where you have the residence since. There is a date that is there, and it will tell you, when you calculate, you would know when you can apply for naturalization. So one thing I would advise is to wait for about a day or two before applying to avoid discrepancies. You know how it is in this country. We have different time zones. So just to play safe, you can put in your application 1 or 2 days after. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell. There are actually people who wait until they complete 5 years before they apply. Like for me, I applied early. If we have the option, why don't I use it? So if you waited after 3 years or 5 years completed before you applied, let us know in the comment section below and why. Or if you are like me who applied early, also let us know in the comment section below. So guys, please share this video. There are still people out there who are not aware of this option. So stay charming, stay fabulous, stay healthy, and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.